In a world driven by connectivity and powered by electricity, the importance of electrical wires and cables cannot be overstated. At Polyon Cables, we understand the vital role that wires and cables play in ensuring seamless transmission of power and data. Welcome to Polyon Cables, where connectivity drives innovation and safety fuels our passion. Since 2006, we have been a trusted leader in manufacturing and exporting wires and cables, providing seamless transmission of power and data to our customers in India as well as export markets. Our brand Polycore Wires and Cables is synonymous with quality cables and has a strong reputation in the market. Our company manufactures wires and cables with high quality standards, conforming to national and international specifications like BIS, BS, IEC, ASTM, and as per customer specifications. Our company was established in 2006 and has a manufacturing unit located at Sonipat in Haryana. All our cable manufacturing processes are 100% in-house with fully equipped modern testing lab to ensure high-quality wires and cables. The in-house process control systems managed by our quality experts ensure that every customer receives a high-quality product. Our commitment to quality is unmatched. Certified under ISO 9001 as well as ISO 14001, our quality management systems ensures strict adherence to the highest quality standards. Polycore brand has all relevant certifications like IS 694/1990, IS 1554, IS 7098, approved by esteemed third-party inspection agencies like TUV, Tata Projects, SGS, and Avant Gard. Our cables have also undergone rigorous testing at reputed labs including CPR-certified. For more than 15 years, we have been regularly supplying cables to many industries like sugar factories, biofuels and ethanol distilleries, steel and power, solar energy, cement industry, control panel builders, process automation, telecom, EPC contractors, paper mills and infrastructure to name a few. We've built strong relationships with esteemed clients like Adani Power, Avada Energy, Lanco, ThyssenKrupp Industries, ISGEC Heavy Engineering, Keynes India, Jindal Steel and Power, Jindal Saw, Dalmia Cement, Jindal Cement, Dhampur Sugar, Dalmia Sugar, Bajaj Hindustan Sugar, Balrampur Chini Mills, Radico Khaitan, Parle Biscuits, Lenskart, Goodyear Tires, Reliance Infratel, to name a few. Our company manufactures LT electrical wires and cables up to 1.1 kV, and our product range includes flexible wires, single core, multi-core, submersible flat, copper control cables, aluminium power cables, shielded and screened instrumentation cables, fire survival cables, solar cables. Our reach extends far and wide, with our Polycore brand cables being used in prestigious international projects across Ethiopia, Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, Indonesia, Nepal, Malaysia and Bangladesh. Polyon Cables is more than just a manufacturer. We are embracing digital transformation with ongoing implementation of Industry 4.0 driven process tracking, CRM, as well as ERP system. Polycore ensures alignment and harmony in its workspaces at all levels to maximize the productivity of its highly motivated team. Our organization culture is designed to encourage constant growth and improvement. Right from human capital to production infrastructure, we deploy only the best resources, making our team capable of always delivering its promises and surpassing customer expectations.